Hi traders, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. If you are new here, I am a binary option trader with more than 3 years of experience. My goal is to help new traders to be profitable in binary option by sharing my knowledge with full transparency. Here you'll find valuable insights, practical strategy and honest guidance to help you trade with confidence. In today's video, I'll share my trades and explain you the details behind the trades I placed. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn so many things, I guarantee you this. So stay with me and let's get started. So guys, I've already chosen my currency pair, and before any trades, let me explain you the setting. The setting for my binary option trading, what I usually do is I always set my timer to 1 minute. So the chart timing is 1 minute and my trade timing is 1 minute default. Okay, 1 minute default means we are taking trade on a particular candle, not timer. Understood? There is difference between timer setting and candle setting, so I will explain you what I mean by that. So usually some of the binary option trader, they trade with 1 minute, okay, that is time. But what I prefer doing is I set my chart 1 minute. Okay, this is the correct setting for me personally. Okay, and the timer here is 1 minute default. Okay, 1 minute default, as in like we are taking trade with one particular candle, not 1 minute trade. Okay, so if I show you the exact thing, what I'm trying to say is we are taking trade with one particular candle. Okay, and what is the timer setting? If you are a beginner, okay, here if you switch this will shift to 1 minute. So it's not about the candle, it's about the time. It becomes like that. So I generally prefer 1 minute default, which is this setting. Okay, this is what I do always. So now after we're done with the setting, let's go and find some short trades. So here the major trend is uptrend. There's a breakout here in this level. If you see my cursor, okay, there's a breakout and I can see a trend continuation pattern. Guys, there is a gap of opening. Okay, so I'll be putting my cursor in the call option trade just in case if the candle comes down and fill the gap, we can take one more marginal safety entry. But I don't think the candle will come down now. The candle is going too big, fulfilling its target. So this trade is short. That was an immediate trade because I immediately saw the pattern going on, and I'll explain you after I win this trade. Okay, here there's a gap up opening and the wick has not fulfilled the gap, so the next candle can be a red one. Okay, because market always fulfill gap. This is a theory. Okay, and let's see, this is 100% short trade, but I was wondering if the candle would come down, fill the gap, and I can place one more marginal safety entry. However, our one trade is win here. Okay, I'll explain you how I did that, why I did that. I'll explain you all the logic so that next time when you place trade, you can do that correctly. Okay, so here if you see the wick here, there was a breakout with a green candle, and after the target of the market is fulfilled, there was a reversal with a red candle. But this confirmed me that the trend is still uptrend. Okay, because it has made a higher low and a higher high. Okay, and also there was a strong bullish pressure and the target of the market was yet to be fulfilled. Understood? Which is why I've taken this trade, and this is 100% ITM trade. But my only complaint here is the candle did not came down and I could not place my one more marginal safety entry, and that was the only case. Okay, so like this, with 3 confirmation, I placed my immediate trade, and now see that the market is going to fulfill the target. Let's wait if I can find one more entry here. Okay, if I place my cursor to the wick of the second last candle here, if this candle close below the cursor, my cursor here, I can take a reversal trade here. But if the candle already reversed, if the candle closes as a red one, the reversal already happened, so there is no point of taking any reversal trade here. Okay, so I need a green candle here. Okay, we have to abort the trade in this candle, in this chart, because the reversal already happened. Do you understand my logic? The reversal already happened here, so we cannot place one more reversal trade because the trend is uptrend. Okay, and we cannot risk our trade with uptrend. Okay, the reversal process is only once. Okay guys, this is another pair, that's UST MXN. This is also one of my favorite pair to take trade on because this is a very smooth pair according to my experience. And here I can see a trade for call option trade. Okay, why I've taken this trade? Because here if I take a horizontal line here, I can see the target of the market is yet to be fulfilled and the previous green candle has not touched the target of the market. Okay, which also acts as a strong support or resistance. And also the second confirmation is the major trend is uptrend. Okay, these are the two confirmation, which is why I've placed this trade. Okay, so now let's see the result. 80%, I'm 80% sure about this trade, so let's wait for the result. Okay, and side by side you have to keep seeing the candle reaction as well. Okay guys, perfect. The target of the market is fulfilled here with the green candle. You see the target is fulfilled, but here you can ask me why I have not taken any reversal trade here. Why I have not taken any reversal trade is because the major trend is uptrend and the current candle is a big bullish candle, so we need a confirmation here. What kind of confirmation? A weak green candle. Okay, a weak green candle, and then we can take a counter trade here, that is a reversal trade. Reversal trade as in like we can take trade for a put option trade. Okay, but this current candle should be a green candle but weak green candle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, perfect. This is a weak green candle, and here I have placed directly a reversal trade at the opening of the candle, and this is going to be 100% sure shot trade. I'm very sure about this trade. Okay, OTC market really respect this theory which I have just explained. Okay, the target of the market is fulfilled, the major trend is uptrend, but I have taken a counter trade. Why? Because of the two confirmation. The target of the market is fulfilled by the previous green candle, and then plus one green candle was a weak green candle, meaning that a reversal trade is confirmed. Okay, market can reverse once in this kind of situation, and this is a clear item trade. Okay, here see that the candle reaction, but this candle needs to be a red candle, and this is a sure shot item trade. So guys, for your reference, I'll be taking one screenshot and I'll explain you why I've taken this shot. This is a counter trade. Okay, and this is item trade as well. So let me take a screenshot here. I'll explain you so that you'll be more clear about the knowledge I'm sharing. So the market was uptrend, but there was a reversal from this point, correct? Okay, so the trend was continuing. So if you see, the next target of the market was here, correct? And the trade we placed was with this green candle, which fulfilled the target of the market. But we need one more confirmation for the reversal trade, which is why I waited for one green candle, which is a weak buyer's candle, which we got with a green spinning top, which was weak, and we took a reversal trade back to back, same chart, and these were the trade. Okay, so this is how you can take your trade correctly and precisely you can analyze the market. Okay, so guys, like this you can take trade, you can practice this in your demo account, and if any queries, question, you can directly comment me down below. Also, if you want to join my VIP channel, you can create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20, and send me your trader ID. So with this, I'm signing out for today. I'll come back with next educational video. Until then, stay tuned and happy trading.